Back.
Add some sausage. I feel like. Wait, I can't put sausage in pasta? You're telling me I
Is
can't
it
cut up
cooked
a.
or uncooked?
It's uncooked, but who cares?
I
Like,
think you have. I think you have to cook it first.
That's
and
fucking
then add.
goofy. That's goofy as fuck. But I will cook it. I will cook it. I'm gonna go make sure I put fucking sauce. And just not. Alright, it's cooking now.
How's it going?
That's actually going great. Oh my god, I almost fucking burnt it. Silly me. Alright, where's my fucking soup? Wait, where is my soup? The fuck? Oh, there it is.
I ate it.
Pasta. Yeah, add sausage cook. Get the fuck in there. Tomato and sausage pasta! That sounds so good.
See, I know all this shit, man. I have YouTube videos on how to do it.
What should I add? I'm not adding pickles. Peas? Do you think no, peas wouldn't fit in that. This is good. Tomato and sausage pasta sounds good. I would eat that in real life. Why is there newspaper in the fucking oven?
Huh?
You were trying to set the house on fire. Don't even play with me. Don't even play with me. Don't even play with me. Don't even play with me! You put newspaper in the oven!
I'm not playing with you.
You put newspaper in the oven!
Dude, I'm not playing.